If you push on the trunk latch, you can hear a clicking sound from the front of the vehicle where the fuse box is. That means that the fuse and everything is working, but the actuator has failed, which is a little tiny motor in the latch assembly system. So in this short video, we are going to show you how to change the rear trunk latch on a Kia Soul. So I called Kia because the trunk wasn't working, and the auto parts store said that I have to go to Kia for the part. They don't make it aftermarket. I called the Kia dealership. They wanted $120 for the part and $50 for labor. I looked online, found the Kia part on Amazon just by Googling it. So you need a 10mm socket, the Kia part, which again, 20 or 30 bucks, that's with shipping, and about 5 minutes to complete this task. So here is the actual part listing on Amazon, link below, posted in the details. It's fairly simple. There's 2 different part numbers, but that also is for the Kia Sorento. So part number listed, there's what the part looks like. It's pretty small, very easy to take out and reinstall. When you have issues with it, you can go in through the side door. There's a little trigger to unlatch the door. You push that trigger and it opens right up. And then from here, there's a 3-screw setup or 3 nut setup. And that should show you what that looks like. So we're going to rush through this next part. Simply take off the 3 screws, and you want to dismount or take out that assembly piece. There's a little button you push in to disconnect it from the wiring. It's very easy to get in and out. There shouldn't be any sort of difficulty in doing that. And then simply get the new piece, install it in as needed, connect it first, and then push it back in the same way it came out. So what will go in through there is the wiring and then that trigger the same way that you open the trunk, and then simply reattach the screws. I'm going to speed this part up again. We'll get that all done. And wanted to slow it down here because once you get that done, you should be able to hear the clicking when you push on the trunk release button. Thank you all for listening. I hope this was helpful, and I hope this saves you several $100s on going to the Kia dealer. Have a good day, y'all.